Legal? Yeah. This is how you dry clothes in Costa Rica. All right, leaving Costa Rica. Wander's been good to us. Loving the bags, links in the description down below. So we're packing up the car, getting ready to head out. We've got a 2.5 hour drive to San Jose from La Fortuna to get to the airport. Just making sure we've got all of our belongings, because we will never see them again if we leave them. Acción. There is so many pizza shops in Costa Rica. We have counted numerous. So the Americans have brought pizza down, and the locals just are like, pura vida, make a pizza. Yeah. Taking a piss. Well, we're back here at the gas station where it all started. We stopped here when we first got here for drinks and snacks for the long drive to La Fortuna. We're about 20 kilometers, about 20 minutes out from the airport. So you don't pump your own gas here. You have to pull up and they pump it for you, but they do take cards. We're gonna return this rental car back to budget.
You've arrived at your destination.
Get the shuttle back to the airport. And then spend some time in one of the lounges before our flight. What do you think of that? So we're here in the line. We just checked in at the airline, and we're getting ready to go through security. Security here, they don't have pre-check, so we'll stand in the line with the muggles, I guess. So we're out here through security. We're at the duty free. Aaron's getting some bottles of something. Don't know what yet. Second floor. All right, so we got these fancy little elevators. We're going up here to the lounge, y'all. Get out, Costa Rica style. This is more like it. We welcome these cards. I used to have this one. This is gold. So Lounge Buddy was incorrect. This lounge is at gate 5 on the 2nd floor. There's another lounge that's down at gate 18 that was correct on Lounge Buddy. That's Priority Pass only. But if you have Priority Pass and American Express Platinum, then you can come here. Spotted a 18-liter Wandered Veer in the Costa Rica airport. What are the chances of that? So we're here on the plane. We've boarded. We've sat. Right now, middle seat is empty. So hopefully it will remain that way.
Ladies and gentlemen, boarding doors now closed. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to bring the first welcome here to Charlotte, where the local time is 6:45 p.m.
So, give me your opinion on the away bigger carry-on.
I'm loving it.
So we're here outside of baggage claim, just waiting on the ALOF shuttle to come pick us up. We have a flight out at 8 a.m. to DC, and then we'll make the drive back home. Ah, the smell of the ALOF. All right, so made it here to the ALOF. So if you remember at the start of the trip, we stayed at the True here in Charlotte, and that hotel was completely free on the house. We used American Express membership reward points. So this time we're staying at the ALOF in Charlotte on the way back, and again, this room was completely free. Aaron's telling me that he paid $1.60, and we booked it through the Chase portal, and we used 10,000 Chase points to cover the cost of this room. So see, by having these cards, it allows you to have the free travel, and we cannot preach it enough. We can.
The next day.
What you getting? Them good potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes. Because I am a potato. So in case anyone was wondering, you have to wait till 7 o'clock to be able to get any type of alcohol.
Are you recording? It feels good to be home. This is our favorite lounge. Of course, I gotta get my cranberry mimosa.
Can we talk about this man's cluttered desktop? My goodness. Bye. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the Costa Rica series. We're going to leave links to the products and services that we've mentioned throughout the series in the description below. Make sure you check them out. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell to get notified when we post new content.
You have American Airlines here, Tower Flight Crew. We'd like to welcome you to Washington National Airport. Local time is approximately 9:13. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Keep down clear of all carry-on items. And don't forget to check your seat back pockets, surrounding areas, and ensure you have all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, and chargers.